Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge, myself Tufan from the StockEdge team. If you are not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform. So today before proceeding the market analysis, I would like to spend 10 seconds in silence prayer for yesterday's Pahalgam incident. I would request you also to be with me for 10 seconds. So let's start. So let's start with dollar index. Yesterday I was explaining you the dollar index that it is moving in a upside channel, and let me just show you what has happened in the daily chart. So it has currently taken support, you can say, and on weekly chart it has formed a doji after this downfall, right? A doji after this downfall in weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. You can see that it has formed a doji here after this fall, right? And yesterday I told you that dollar index has an inverse relationship with precious metals. So related to precious metals, I would also like to share the gold chart. So I was pretty sure about 1 lakh mark of gold, but it missed by 640 points. After this huge rally, it has formed a doji at the fag end, right? And it was just short of 642 points from 1 lakh mark. If dollar index starts moving on the higher side, as I had explained in my earlier video, that is yesterday, then we can see some kind of fall in this gold for a very short time frame. Then again, in the longer time frame, gold has to move on the upside. Clear? Now let's proceed with Nifty. So I'm going to Nifty daily chart. Yesterday, based on OI, I gave a resistance level of around 24,250, right? I told that if Nifty gives a close above 24,250, then that upward rally should continue, and it has given a closing around 24,328. Though at the fag end it has formed a hanging man. The candlestick pattern, basically, the candlestick pattern that it has formed today, it is hanging man, okay, this one. Clear? Now, what should be the immediate support and resistance level in Nifty that we need to track is, as it has passed this previous high of around 24,250, which I mentioned yesterday, now you need to track this level, which comes to around 24,850. Clear? 24,850 you need to track, and on the downside you need to track 24,000, and currently Nifty is around 24,328. Clear? Now I would like to share that behind this rally of Nifty, it was mainly the financial stocks, especially Bank Nifty, right? Let's have a quick look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty today has formed a bearish engulfing pattern. It has formed a bearish engulfing pattern. engulfing pattern, right? So what is that? It is basically today's red candle has fully engulfed yesterday's green candle. And ideally, as per books or as per theory, this is a bearish signal. Clear? Now, whether this is going to be bearish or bullish, for that we need to track these two levels, that is today's high and today's low. Now it is clearly visible from the chart that Bank Nifty has, for the time being, got exhausted a bit after this rally, right? Now who is going to support Nifty from here? It is none other than Nifty IT. Let's have a quick look at Nifty IT also. So Nifty IT has bounced back a bit from this low, right? And today it has opened with a gap up and continued its rally throughout the whole day, correct? Now, whether it will breach this level or not, that is a subjective question. Though this level is around 36,000 approximately, 36,000, clear? So, for further rally on the upside in Nifty, Nifty IT should breach this level and go on the higher side. Clear? Because Nifty banks seems to be a bit exhausted as of now, as I have explained that it has formed a bearish engulfing pattern. So a special meeting of Government of India, CCS, is currently undergoing. We need to track that minutely because market is also going to react with that particular decision. Clear? I hope I could throw some light on today's market. Let's have a great session tomorrow. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.